Hey gang, Poppy here. As you can see, we're in the computer room still. I admit it, I haven't been out in the shop in like 10 months. I mean, not, fall came and it got cold and funds ran down and no money to do anything and it was cold. And then I got COVID. I'm over that now, sort of, but I know what Queen Elizabeth meant when she said it really takes it out of you. Even when you're over it, it takes it out of you. I've been trying to get up the energy to go out and even look in the shop. Anyway, uh, so I'm going to be doing media commenting, commenting on media for a while. Something I can do sitting here. Here, take them off. There's something I can do sitting here, and it may be amusing to somebody. I'll be commenting on movies, TV shows, perhaps a little tiny bit of news. Not much. I mean, it's hard to comment on news and not have people from both sides of the political spectrum coming along and wanting to hang me. You know, I could just read deadpan out of Principles of American Government. That's a class you have to pass to get your diploma, high school diploma. You have to pass Principles of American Government. You know, they call it civics, American government. Anyway, tell you all about how our government works. If I just read deadpan out of that, oh, death threats from both sides. Yep. Anyway, so there's that. Now, my wife was just telling me that there's tons and tons and tons of comments in her email. That's Gmail address. Don't use that if you want to talk to Poppy. You want to talk to Poppy, it's tazzybaby. That's TAZZYBABY 452 ampersand hotmail.com. That's how you talk to me. Okay? She's getting really unhappy. And she even told me that there was a notice that I got a new subscriber. I said, wow, another pity subscriber. I love you. I wish I knew about you before. Anyway, if you want to email me, tazzybaby452 at hotmail.com. Okay? Thank you. Now, I'm going to stop this one and start recording the next video because I have something to say to a fellow YouTube creator. And that's another thing I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be talking to you YouTube creators out there that I've talked to before and some I haven't talked to yet. I'm going to do it. I'm not going to be shitting all over your channels, but, I got to have content. And if I have a suggestion, I'll make a video about it instead of just throw it in your comments. Anyway, good night from California.